Hi, Ma'am Catherine. Yan, sorry. Ma'am Catherine, ito po yung computation ng Mint Residences dito sa may Makati, sa may Chino Roses po ito. So this is one bedroom with balcony. Sorry, 25. This is 25.42 square meters. Okay. 25.42 square meters. Ang list price niya po is 6.5 million and then may 10% or 656,600 pesos. Bali, ang list price po niya, binawasan lang po natin ang discount yun, kaya naging 5.9 million na lang po siya. And then yung other charges po natin is 6.5% and then 12%. Sa 6.5%, nandyan po yung mga government fees, transfer of title, nandyan yung water and electric connection. And then sa 12% VAT, of course, yan po yung tax na kasama po dito sa computation. So, dinagdag lang po natin yung tatlo, kaya nakuha po natin yung total amount payable na 7 million. And then, since pre-selling pa po ito, pwede po tayong magkaroon ng low monthly investment. So, this is 15% and then 85%, comprising of 100% in total. So, sa 15% po ng total amount payable, that's 1,050,395 pesos. Less reservation fee na 35,000. That means, meron lang tayo ng 1,015,000. Ngayon, itong net spread investment, naka-deferred lang po siya or naka-spread ng 53 months. So, that's why nakuha po natin yung 19,158.41 na monthly investment. Okay? And then, yung 85%, depende na po sa inyo kung papasok po natin sa bank or pwedeng cash or in-house. Sa bank financing, wala po kayong problemahin dahil andun po ako para tulungan po kayo sa inyong investment.